In this video, I'll show you how to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently. So to be able to actually disable your Windows automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently, you'll need to head over into your settings. So to do that, just simply look for the Windows Starter tab at the bottom left of your screen. So click on that Windows Starter tab which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and click on the settings button. Now this will take you into your settings. Now from here, go ahead and head over into the updates and security section. So as you can see in here, the Windows Update, Recovery, and Backup would be found under that section. So in this section, what you need to do is to head over into Windows Update and set this Windows Update into off. So as you can see, you'll find this get the latest updates as soon as they're available under this. So make sure that you disable this to be able to permanently disable Windows auto updates. And that's basically how you can disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.